Whether your Hyundai is a sporty Veloster, a rugged Palisade, or somewhere in between, regular maintenance is key for your vehicle's longevity. Hyundai recommends that all maintenance be performed at an authorized Hyundai dealer. Authorized Hyundai dealers meet the high service quality standard of Hyundai. In addition, they receive the most up-to-date technical support from Hyundai in order to provide you with a high level of satisfaction with the service of your vehicle. Servicing at an authorized Hyundai dealership can also be helpful in tracking your vehicle maintenance records. Tracking your vehicle's maintenance records is very important, as it's your responsibility to retain the maintenance and repair records for your vehicle and keep them for future reference. Keeping proof of regular maintenance in accordance with the recommended maintenance and servicing requirements of your vehicle is necessary to stay in compliance with your vehicle's warranty policy. Having regular maintenance and service performed by service centers not authorized by Hyundai does not necessarily void your vehicle warranty. But as these services will not be tracked as part of your MyHyundai account, it is your responsibility to maintain these records and receipts. If you have a MyHyundai account, you can also track your vehicle service on your account. This is a very convenient method for tracking your vehicle service. And if you have an account at MyHyundai.com, you will be automatically notified when it's time for your maintenance. You will find information on when your next maintenance is due in your monthly vehicle health report or your Hyundai service reminder emails. Your maintenance schedule can also be found online at MyHyundai.com and Hyundai's Maintenance Schedule Index, or you can refer to your printed owner's manual. And when it's time to schedule your service, you can do so through your monthly vehicle health report or service reminder emails, your MyHyundai account, or by calling your dealer. And remember, every 2021 and newer Hyundai comes with the Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance Program. This program is one of the most comprehensive in the industry. It includes complimentary service at your Hyundai dealership for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. It is included with any new 2020 or later Hyundai vehicle purchased on or after February 1st, 2020. Be sure to watch the Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance video for more details on the program. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the HyundaiUSA YouTube channel and MyHyundai.com.